Back home now as Barbican moved closer to returning to the Premier League following their 1-0 win over Wadada in the Magnum Charlie JB Ram Premier League playoffs at Barbican. Anja Christie scored the lone goal in the 16th minute, which takes Barbican to 8 points in the 4-team playoff to be 3 points away from securing a return to the big league. It was Barbican's second win over Wadada, having beaten them in the first leg at Jarrett Park.
Well, happy for the result. It puts us a bit closer to our objective of Premier League qualification. Difficult game, we could have killed it off from the first half, but we made it difficult for ourselves in the second half. Wadada came out second half, they gave a lot. We started to lose our composure, and I think that made the game a bit nervy for us.
Today we put up a good performance, not an excellent performance, but a good performance. And as you can see, it's just that our wing backs, they're always running up the field, but just one of those days. We'll bounce back and come back next season stronger and better.